So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to scroll down until you find Windows Installer. You want to double click on it. And then you want to click on Start. Make sure that the service is running and then click on OK. But if you already got to the stage and it was already started and it was already running, then you want to click on Restart the service. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now I'm going to leave this down below in the description. So if you're running 64-bit version of Windows, you want to paste both of these. If you're running 32-bit, then you want to paste both of these. To know which version that you're running, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. Now once you're on this, it will tell you next to system type where your architecture is. So I'm on 64-bit, so I'm going to be copying and pasting both of these right here. So for the first one, just going to copy and paste it right here. And now for the second one, copy and paste it right there, click on enter. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.